All right, guys, I'm finally off work. Very excited today because something I've been waiting for a long time has finally came in. And of course, you guessed it, it is FDF. Thanks Interstate Performance for helping me acquire this. It is at my shop. Noel's there taking my car apart already. So I'm gonna go grab some Dunkin' real quick since I just get off. And I'm gonna go help install my kit, and then hopefully I can get it together today and maybe get alignment. And Clutch Kickers is leaving tomorrow basically, so if I could get it done and aligned, I might head out. I don't have tires, but I think they sell them at the track, so I could just acquire some from there. So I'm on it. I'm gonna try and get it together tonight, guys. I'm excited. The moment I've been waiting for all my life. All right, so my dog got the car apart already. So now it's time to put this thing together. Let's see what goods we got. I just want to take a second to show y'all how nice this kit really is. Dang. Boy, them boys at FDF doing it, man. Hey, it's like, do I really want to put this on my car to get wrecked? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. All right, not too excited about this part, but you gotta do what you gotta do. All right, here's a quick preview of the cut. Not so bad. All right, we got this side mocked up. Starting to look like something. I really don't know what I'm doing, but it's looking like it's something. Dog's over here getting that side together. What's that face for, bro?
Hey, I just wanted to be known. I forced Camel to hit checkout.
He
on
did.
FDF.
Oh, we're gonna put that in the video.
Yeah, so
we gotta get that.
Yeah, so put it in right here.
Bro, I'm already bleeding. Like, what the freak?
Yeah, inline 6. All right, you ready to go?
Hey,
order.
we getting that FDF right now. My dog Crizzy. I'm finna turn it up on the head. Right here. You ready?
Yep.
It's like an older fuel injection.
Decline.
Boy, it's PayPal credit. I got that white boy credit.
Oh!
Woo!
There you go.
Order number. We're gonna have to delete the order number.
All right. This boy finally got FDF, boy. See, he a little bitch.
Damn, bro, you love working on the floor. Hey, you know what's crazy? When you could videotape my dog working underneath the car. Through the wheel. Damn, daddy. That's nice. Hold on, let me see if those can fit real quick. Justin messed up and got
Hell no.
He's sleeping.
Buffalo.
As usual.
I don't like garlic
He
parm.
grumpy today. He's like how I was yesterday. All right, we gotta eat, but it's mostly mocked up. I'm hungry.
I mean, what? You're only gonna have like 3 more degrees.
All right, we got a quick mock up. It's pretty much all together. Go ahead, turn that thing all the way. That's all the way?
You're gonna need a ton more camber though.
Yeah. That's just the.
That's about max.
That's just a quickie. Ease.
That shit get me hard.
That's all the way?
Yeah.
Let me see.
He's like, oh, I just spent $1,200
Look,
for.
look.
It looks the same.
It looks
bro.
broken, bro.
Why does it look the same?
It looks broken. That's wild.
See, this side ain't even as bad. I don't understand.
Didn't get too much crazy taping, but it's on.
It's on.
Made it happen. I figured out I got a little strut tower damage. You can't really see it, but I'm gonna have to try and get it welded and go from there. I got a tube front that's supposed to be on the way, so maybe that'll help it. If my buddy can weld this up before clutch kickers, I'll still try and go. So that's where we're at right now.